All right, so here we are at the home show. It's ABT Plumbing and Electric. The Sola, your electrician. What are you showing off?
Showing off bad wiring.
That's pretty scary.
Yeah. What you don't want your wiring to look like.
What are we looking at?
We're looking at burnt up fuse boxes, burnt up breakers. This is all because of loose wires and just bad work.
So do you fix that sort of thing?
Oh yeah.
What else you got? Oh wait, there's a toilet.
Well, that's not my division. That would be your division.
Oh yeah, that'd be my division. Oh well. See, that's a dual flush toilet. You can flush one for number 1, push the other button for number 2, and we have a tankless water heater that Paul's showing off right now, showing a customer, telling them all the benefits of using tankless hot water. Anyway, that's the show. Oh yeah.
Hot seller of the show. These.
They're pretty cool.
Garden hose washers.
So they have tractors here at the home show. Nice toys. And they've got food. Good food. Fun stuff. Should come next time.